Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can pair your Kvidio headphones. Now I'm referring through the official instructions on how you can do this, and basically it's extremely simple. Just make sure that your device supports Bluetooth connection, and that's all the requirement that you need. From there, to simply enable the Bluetooth pairing mode, basically the button that you must find is going to be the multi-function button. So in this specific model, it's going to be number 2, which is going to be this one. You want to press and hold click this button for around 3 seconds, and basically from there it will actually enter the pairing mode for your headphones. So just head over to the Bluetooth connectivity on the device that you want to connect it with. Look for the right model. In my case, it's going to be the WH201A. Press connect and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.